Hello everyone, it's your host CodeCrafter. Today we are diving into the world of LeetCode SQL challenges. Get ready to sharpen your SQL skills as we tackle SQL 50 challenge using SQL, Pandas and PySpark. Let's get started.
Yeah, on today's SQL 50 LeetCode challenges, so we are going to solve problem number 584, find customer referee. So if you see the customer table, they have given is with the columns of ID, name, reference ID. So what they have asked is find the name of the customer that are not referred by the customer with the ID number equal to 2. So we can return any order. So they didn't specify any order. So if you see the example, you'll get a clear idea. So customer table consisting of ID, name, reference ID. On a reference ID, some values are null, but if you see the output, you'll get an idea right now. So for Will is no reference ID, but for Alex is reference ID 2, but we can't print it because I mentioned it as ID is not equal to 2. And see Jack has 1, so Jack is there. For Mark, it is 2, but we cannot print it. So this is the output we need to get. So let me try to write the code. So if you remember what we have to do, what we have to call first, we have to call the table first in an order of operations. So I'm calling table first, customer, and what is the condition they have given? So from will call first in order of operations, thereafter the condition, and thereafter order or anything, or after that we will select the columns. So let me give the condition where, but what is the condition we have? ID, customer ID. Customer is a reference ID, not 2. So let me try to copy it. So reference ID not equal to, we can use this symbol or not equal to. So we have two solutions here, and I'm selecting what is the column they have mentioned. Find the names only. So we have to select name, and this code is wrong. I hope everyone knows it, but let me try to run it and explain it again. I'm running the code. If you see it, we got the wrong answer. Do you know why? We haven't printed the null values. We have to include it on a solution. So we have to use OR operator, but because null's also there, right? So referee ID is null, is not null, so is null, has to be null, right? Because it's not reference ID is not 2, right? So it's also considered. So if I run the code, if you see here, we successfully the code has accepted. So I'm submitting the code. Yeah, we done. Perfect, right? So
That's it for our today's LeetCode solution. Ready for more? Check out the links for Pandas and PySpark. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.